Hey friends, so I am Almaty railway station. So I'm going to Uzbekistan by train. This is my first time to another country by train. So I'll just go inside. Let's see how it works out. So this is my train. I'm ready to board. Just need to find my coach. Okay, so this is like a cabin, and this is my seat. Okay, so I got my seat, and this is a really good cabin, really spacious. Let me show you my seat. So here it is. This is my seat, and they have got us the pillows and the linens. That is mine. Let's check how the washroom is. This is it. Not bad. Hey guys, so I'm finally all set in my seat, and the train is about to leave in about 2-3 minutes. Got a nice window view also. So excited. Oh, this is my first train to another country. I've never done international journey by road, so I'm really excited. Okay, so the train is leaving. This is this station. You know, the railway station here is so beautiful. It's like Soviet architecture, and even the trains are so super clean. And they have got hand wash, tissue papers, and doormat in each cabin. And also, there is a temperature control for every cabin separately. Like, you can control the temperature as however you like. This is so cool. Okay, so this is the walkway. And look at this. This is a water filter. Wow, so cool. Have you ever seen this in any Indian railway? They even got the paper towels. Wow. Hello.
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 Hello. Hello. I love you.
Thank you. Okay, I'm from India.
Good.
You are really sweet. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So cute kids. Wow. You know, this train has a restaurant also. Let's see how it is. Oh wow. So it has got a cafeteria. Let's check the menu. This is the menu. I can't find anything vegetarian. Oh, there it is. just a salad. So yeah, that's all. It's cool. Hey guys, so time to sleep now. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. So it's 6 p.m. here, and we are going to Shymkent. It's a city in Kazakhstan. And I think the train will be in Tashkent at 1 p.m. Still a long time. So yeah, I had a good sleep. Surprisingly, still tired though. Okay. Guys, so we are really close to Uzbekistan border right now, and as soon as we approach the border, the immigration officers from the Uzbekistan will enter the train, and the immigration process will take about an hour or two. So yeah, they check everyone's tickets and passports and every visa documents manually, and also they will check the luggage and everything we are carrying with ourselves. So yeah, that's why it takes a lot of time. So I think it will happen at around 10 or 11 a.m. because right now it's 9 a.m. Yeah, I'll let you know more when it happens. Okay, so we are really close to Uzbekistan border now. I think we will cross the border in 2 hours. Hey guys, so right now the train has stopped at Kazakhstan side of the border, and the immigration control officers came inside with their security dogs, and then they asked me to open my bags, and then they checked all this stuff just quickly, and then they stamped my passport because I'm exiting Kazakhstan, and this same process will happen when the train will enter Uzbekistan. So yeah, that's all they did at the Kazakhstan side of the border. Okay, so this is it. We have exited Kazakhstan, and this is where the Uzbekistan border starts. Hey guys, so I am officially in Uzbekistan now, and the train has stopped at Kilis station, where the immigration control officers entered with their security dogs and checked my visa, passport, and my bags. It took about 45 minutes, I think, and now the train will start running again, and it will take another 40 to 45 minutes to reach Tashkent city. And yes, Indians do need a visa to travel to Uzbekistan, so it's recommended to apply at least 10 or 15 days in advance. So yeah, I'll keep you updated once I reach Tashkent. Okay, Okay, so I have reached Tashkent Central Station. So now I'll head to the city using the same Yandex Go app and I'll book a cab. The weather is hotter than Kazakhstan, of course. It's so heavy carrying all this backpack on my shoulders. Also, this is my first time backpacking. I'm not carrying a trolley anymore. Uh, okay, so I'm at Tashkent railway station now. I just bought a SIM card and now I'm waiting for my cab. It's really hot here. Into the city.